Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at the very beginning, open list of all applications, then select the settings. Here you should scroll down and pick display. And scroll down one more time and select font size and style. And here you can simply by tapping on this scale change the size of your font. As you can see, you can select the huge one or the smaller. And then you can also select the style, so just tap on font style and you have several options. You can also download some other fonts, but let me pick, for example, this Gothic bold. Let's go back. You can also bold your font, and now, as you can see, everything is bold and in this Gothic style. If you'd like to go back to the previous settings, just open display one more time, go to font size and style. You can go to default size of your font. Actually, it's a bit bigger, so it's here, the medium one. And then tap on font style and go back to default one. Unclick bold font. And now, as you can see, you're back in the default font settings. So the default size and style. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.